I wanted to start this video by saying that we are not out of the woods yet, but what just behind me? Behind me there are woods. Guys, it is weird, but I feel that my life is kind of a representation of the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency chart. Sun is shining behind me. However, it's still a little bit cold and we hit 85,000, but we are not sure if you're going higher just now. We might fall below 80,000. And that's exactly what I want to talk about in today's video. What is going on with the Bitcoin price, what we can expect in the immediate short term in the next days, and what's the long-term vision. So let's start with what's going on now. Now, the good news is that we bounced from 78,000 to 82, and we managed to go from 82,000 to 84, and yesterday guys, we touched 85, okay? Now, I saw that some crypto people on crypto Twitter became bullish and saying, hey, why we don't repeat what happened in 2020? Let's just go up. Now, there is a possibility for this to happen. However, we just had a failed cycle. When we have a failed cycle, we usually fall lower in the next 60 days. We basically made a new low in the 60 days, like, oh, the sun started to shine. The sun started to shine. What does it mean, guys? What does it mean for the crypto charts? Well, I don't know, but I want to jump into the crypto charts right now, and I want to show you what I see right now going on for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. Look, guys, yesterday we touched 85 and 86K, which is actually a very positive sign for Bitcoin. However, we are not out of the woods yet. Right now, this zone is what we have to hold, okay? This is the golden zone, basically 79, 80,000. Now, if we start falling lower than 80K in the next days, guys, it means that, well, Bitcoin is going to head lower. Bitcoin is going to head most probably to 71. And I want you to kind of start feel bad about it because it's simply a natural cycle. Yes, this happens and we have to accept the reality. However, this one cycle indicator basically will depend and will tell us what is going to happen. If you can see at the bottom of the chart, we have this wonderful dark blue line, okay? Now, this dark blue line right now is setting, it's going to be above 80. And when it goes above 80, it means that, hey, we are forming a local top. Now, you can see the same thing happened right here, okay? When we touched, right here, 80, we basically formed a local top. And it happened multiple times if I go to the past, right here as well. We basically touched 80 and then we went down. Now, in the bearish periods, we go down by quite a lot. As you can see, we fell from 96 all the way down to 78. Let me delete, it's just too many things. And the bullish periods, like we recently had one, we going up from basically from the bottom to the top, and we go by quite a lot. And also in the bullish periods, we actually don't fall that much. Right here, you could see we still were in the bullish period in the November, October 2024. And here we touched 80. And although the indicator actually went down, the price didn't went down. It stayed at the same level. And it means that, hey, probably the next cycle will be bullish as well. And that's what happened. Okay, now, basically using this cycle indicator, we can see what's going to happen next for Bitcoin. It is going to reverse very soon. So basically this indicator within the next few days is going to start going down. Now, what is going to happen with the Bitcoin price is a different question. Let me put it blue because basically, yeah, that's how I expect the indicator to go basically to the downside. Now, there are two scenarios basically. If we manage to stay afloat and don't make a new low, but basically stay around 82, 83, $84,000, we are going to go up. We're basically going to test 95 area, okay? So when you're gonna enter the trade, when I'm gonna enter the trade, is I'm gonna wait until this cycle indicator touches 20 once again, which I expect to be within the next 7 days. And I'm going to enter a trade up till this area, more or less, like 90, 93,000, okay? This will basically signal to me that, hey, this cycle is not that bearish and we are still going up, okay? So in the immediate short term, guys, what we have to do, we have to really hold the area of 83, 84,000. Now, you're probably asking, hey, you're showing all those indicators. How can I get the grip of those indicators? How can I also use them myself every single day without you talking in front of us and showing these indicators on the camera? And guys, you can do it very easily. Basically, all you have to do, you have to go to this website right here. It's called strategymaster.substack.com. You can also find it in the description down below. If you click on the description, you're going to find this website as well. And here, basically, guys, read every single article. Here we are talking about the 60-day cycles. We're talking how to predict Bitcoin next moves in the short term and midterm. Basically, just go to the last articles here. We are talking about 2 cycle frameworks. Most of the articles are free. Simply read those articles and you're going to learn the cycle indicators. Subscribe for the newsletter, guys. Right here, basically, you can see a gift subscription, but basically, if you click here, you will be able to subscribe. You can subscribe for free. There is a free subscription, guys. You don't have to pay. Right here, a free subscription. And then you're going to have an opportunity to learn cycles and get access to the cycle indicators, okay? And that's what you want in the end. Now, the very last thing I want to say, when the cycle indicator goes below 20, I am going to open a new trade on the BTCC exchange. Again, go to the description down below and click this link right here. You are going to see the BTCC page. And if you use my link, not only you're going to have a private group together with me where we are going to speak with each other. Oh, my battery is 4%, guys. I have to be quick. But you're also going to get 10% bonus. And that's what you want to have. Basically, look, it's a difficult period for Bitcoin. I'm not going to hide that. It's not easy in this area. Everybody expected to go up. Everybody expected to have 150, 160K, okay? So during these moments, you actually want to use every single opportunity that you have. And now you have the opportunity to get 10% bonus on the BTCC exchange. I'm using BTCC for my trades. And guys, just open a new account. It's an OKYC exchange and simply get the 10%. If you deposit 5K, you're going to get $500. And basically $500 for free. Well, if you make a trade and you double your money, let's say, well, now you have 1K. So it's basically free money. And when there are companies giving you free money, you simply take them, okay? That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe. I see that many of you who are watching, they're not subscribed because you have to receive these videos on time. You have to act on time. So I want you to subscribe to the channel and basically see you in the next one.